Hey guys, so we're back with one more quick video, and I really wanted to do a video of the new jiggly slime I made. It is so jiggly. I'm just gonna take it out
Look.
of the container. Max, let me show them. Okay, so let me just...
Look, show them how it just goes hand to hand.
Yeah, it's super jiggly and
See, look, show them.
really fun. Super jiggly. Really fun, and I have a few different colors over there. This is my yellow one. He's got my pink one.
Look, show them how I pour it in like a liquid.
Yeah, they have these cute little containers. Oh.
You guys might hearing like farty noise because I'm pushing the slime into the container. Oh my gosh.
And these cute little containers. And then I'll show you guys my blue slime.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna do this one.
That's my blue slime.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that was mine. You just grabbed it. That one was mine. Where's the lid to this one? Oh my.
They're not stretchy, but they're so jiggly.
Yeah, and there's barely any. So.
Yeah. Because
Look at mine.
I bought the store, and these I made. So I made it.
She bought this one at the store, but oh, there's more. Those. See, show them all of it. Let's pile them all up. Show them all are really jiggly slime.
My jiggly slime.
Oh.
And guys, I will be getting glasses.
So you might see some real glasses that have prescription.
Yeah, prescription glasses.
Okay. Here. Look at all her jiggly slime. There's one more she's playing with. The orange.
My orange is Orange Crush.
Yeah, this is another orange crush. This is another
Orange Crush.
And
this is...
Don't get that so close to the camera. Zoom out.
This is my Ocean Breeze.
That's so close to the camera. Okay, that's
is
way
my
better.
Lemonade.
And
This is my Passionate Slime. Dude. What are you doing?
I just zoomed in.
Those are my super jiggly slimes. I hope you guys enjoy it. And we'll see you guys.
This is the shortest YouTube video ever.
Actually, I've had a lot shorter videos. Bye.
Like, subscribe, and